Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. I have one over here. It comes provided with the device, so you can get it from the box. And once you've got that, what you want to do is pop the tray, which is located on the bottom left side of the device, this red little thing right here. So just pop it in here. As you can see, the pin is holding, and from here simply push it in. The tray will pop out, and once you take it out, you actually have space for only 2 different SIM cards. So it looks like I lied. This just kind of falls out. You can't insert SD. So simply place your SIM on the tray on either side, with the chip on the outside, so basically facing towards you. And from there, insert it back into the device. And we should have a pin. Give it a moment maybe. So it looks like it's reading the card. As you can see, it's switching, but I guess someone removed the pin from it, so it's not even telling me to put it in. So anyway, this, as you can see, it is detecting the SIM card, and that is how you would insert it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.